Pillar 3 of the United Nations Guiding Principles on Business and Human Rights highlights the right to access to remedy for those who have been affected by business-related human rights abuses. This includes access to both judicial and non-judicial remedy. On judicial remedy, the guiding principles highlight that a state needs to take appropriate steps to ensure that its legal system, including its national courts, is effective in addressing business-related human right abuses. So, governments need to consider how to reduce legal and practical barriers that could prevent victims from accessing an effective remedy. Non-judicial remedies for business-related human rights abuses can be divided into state-based mechanisms and non-state-based mechanisms. Non-judicial mechanisms should complement rather than replace or undermine judicial mechanisms. State-based non-judicial mechanisms include, for example, national contact points under the OECD guidelines for multinational enterprises and state-run ombudsman offices. This category also includes national human rights institutions. In fact, Guiding Principle 27 notes that national human rights institutions have a particularly important role to play in ensuring access to remedy for business-related human rights abuses. In addition to state-based non-judicial mechanisms, the guiding principles emphasize the role of non-state-based grievance mechanisms. These could be, for example, mechanisms provided by an industry association, a multi-stakeholder group, a financial institution, or a company. Businesses should create or participate in operational-level grievance mechanisms to ensure that possible adverse impacts on individuals and communities are identified and addressed promptly before they escalate. In general, non-judicial grievance mechanisms should follow the 8 effectiveness criteria outlined in Guiding Principle 31. In sum, ensuring access to effective remedy for business-related human rights harms is an essential and central part of both the state duty to protect as well as the corporate responsibility to respect human rights.